Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in on my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you an Gucci unboxing. So this item has been on my wish list for the past 3 months, and it took me a couple of months just to get it because it was sold out. And even online and at the store, when I went to the store, they told me that there's like 6-month wait list or more. And then when I ordered online, I ordered the wrong size, so I had to return it and then ordered the correct size. But then they told me that the estimated delivery date was like around 2 to 3 weeks, but it was way more than 3 weeks. It was like more than like 6 weeks. But I finally got it. It's here with me, so I'm so excited to open it. So I still have it in the box. I did open the box just to make it easier to film. So basically it's from Gucci, as you know, and it just has this all bubble that I like to keep to like stuff my bags in, or just to pack something back if I have to. And here it is. It comes in this cute Gucci paper bag, and it also has this envelope with Gucci logo at Gucci at the back, and basically that's the box is empty now. So first, let's just open the envelope first, and I think it's basically just receipts and everything. Yeah, it's just receipts, the price and everything, and just like a note from Gucci, like, thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. We hope that you enjoy your Gucci purchase, blah blah blah. Nothing that's important there. What's important is here in the back. So okay, so they tie it pretty nicely with a bow like so, and in the opens up like that. And I see a Gucci card, like responsibility card, which I don't know what this is. Here's the back. Can you guess what it is? Oh, so it comes in a tissue paper with a Gucci sticker there. It's already unwrapped, and comes in a dust bag, which I'm very excited about. Can you guess what it is? So obviously it's not like a bag. It's not a very tiny bag, but okay. So this is a Gucci belt. So this thing has been so popular, and it's always been sold out, and I'm just finally happy that I finally got it, like the right size for me. So they wrap it all around like that, and let me, if I can open it without a scissor here, give it, and voila. So that's the Gucci antique logo with the gold antique, which I am really in love. The thing that I'm really excited about, that this thing is really brand new. How I know is that between the time that I purchased and they shipped the item, I got an email that they said they just finally done the production in Italy, and they're just begin to ship. So this is like freshly made from Italy, which I'm just excited about. And I got in the size 90, and when the first time I ordered it was size 95, and it was way too big for me, so I finally decided to return that and got the size 90. And I think the size 85 and 90 is the most popular size because it was sold out online, and I had to like wait for a long time. So there you go. That's the belt. It has like 5 hole adjustments, which I think the way that you measure the length of the belt is from the end of the buckle to the middle hole. So if it's like 90 centimeters, it means that when this is the size 90, it means that size 90 centimeters from the end of at the beginning of the buckle to the middle hole. So size 95 was too big for me, but size 90 was, I'm supposed, is perfect. Let's just try. Let's see. You can see that. So that's how you do it. Put the belt there, put the belt there. So this one has the hook for the opening, and I'm guessing I would be on the end of the very last hole. So there's that. That's what it looks like. I'm guessing I still could get away with size 85, but I just prefer to have a little more room just in case I gain weight. You never know. And one thing that I'm planning to do is adding an extra hole here, so I can wear this belt with dresses and on my waist instead of only on my hip, like that, something along those lines. But I don't know, I just love the way it looks. It's just, I think it's like a trendy piece, but it's becoming more and more in style, and I don't know, I don't think I would get bored of this kind of belt because it's a black leather, it's classic, and with just the gold antique, it just looks very chic and very polished. You can totally dress up with just a t-shirt and a jeans and you have this buckle. It just make a statement, and I just love the way it looks, and I've seen it a lot on social media, and I blame social media for all my hauls and my impulse buy. Well, this was not an impulse, this was something that I really wanted, but so I'm so glad that I finally got it. That's my little Gucci unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to click subscribe before you leave today so you don't miss out any of my future videos. And I'm hoping to get more content in 2018 because I'm just enjoying making this video and sharing my knowledge and my experiences with you guys. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.